In this video, you will learn how to build your list of target employers using LinkedIn's Alumni Search feature. Once you have an idea of the positions you are both qualified for and interested in, an important next step is to build your list of target employers. One way to do this is using the Alumni Search feature on LinkedIn. To begin, go to the search bar of your LinkedIn homepage. Type in University of New Hampshire. Select the School US option, which is generally the top search result. Scroll down to the left sidebar and click Alumni. Here, you can search UNH alumni by job title, company, location, class year, or keyword. What you are searching for will determine how you proceed in filtering your search results. As an example, let's say I am a computer science major looking to take my next steps in the greater Boston area. I begin my search by typing computer science into the alumni search bar. Now, the list of UNH alumni has filtered out all profiles that do not contain computer science. To hone my search in on the greater Boston area, I select Greater Boston area under the Where They Live column. At this point, all of the alumni listed went to UNH, studied computer science or have computer science experience, and are working in the greater Boston area. To further refine my results to only alumni who studied computer science as their major, I select Next, then select Computer Science under what they studied. Now, I am ready to browse the employers this search has yielded. You could also continue to filter search results by choosing what they do, what they are skilled at, and how you are connected to give you more precise results. Once you feel that you have the appropriate filters set, you can explore where these alumni work, build your list of target employers, and connect with alumni who work where you'd like to take your next career steps. Reaching out to alumni and networking is always encouraged, but be sure that each message you send is thoughtful, professional, and grammatically sound. For more information on connecting and sending direct messages through LinkedIn, also check out our LinkedIn Best Practices video. By clicking on an employer name, you will filter your search results to include only alumni that work at or have experience working with that specific employer. To remove any of the search filters you've set, simply click the X on the keyword beneath the alumni search bar or select Clear All to remove all of your search filters.